책 있어요? 연필 있어요? Then, let's get started. Did you do the homework? We're gonna check the answers of mini test first. A. 저스틴 씨 집에 있어요? B. 아니요. 저스틴 씨 집에 없어요. A again. 저스틴 씨 공원에 있어요? B says, 네. 저스틴 씨 공원에 있어요. A. 휴대폰 가방에 있어요? B. 아니요. 휴대폰 가방에 없어요. You can also say 가방에 휴대폰 없어요. A again. 휴대폰 책상에 있어요? B says, 네. 휴대폰 책상에 있어요. You can also say 책상에 휴대폰 있어요. Fill the blank with correct word. Number 1. Christina is in hospital. 크리스티나 씨 병원에 있어요. Number 2. There is a pencil in pencil case. 연필 필통에 있어요. Number 3. There is a computer in my desk. What else my? Right? 제. So, 컴퓨터 제 책상에 있어요. Number 4. There's a camera in Pierre's bag. Pierre's, 피에르 씨의. So you should say, 카메라 피에르 씨의 가방에 있어요. How's your score? How many did you get it right out of all these 8 questions? Please tell me in the comment section. And now you know what's gonna come next. Right, dialogue time!
낸시 씨는 형제나 자매 있어요?
네, 미국에 자매가 있어요.
사진 있어요?
네, 휴대폰에 사진이 있어요.
Patrick says, 낸시 씨는 Miss Nancy, 형제, male sibling, brother, 나, which means or, 자매, female sibling, sister, 있어요? Do you have? So it means, Nancy, do you have a male sibling, brother, or sister? Nancy answers, 네, yes, 미국에. Do you remember 미국? Right, America. So, in America, 자매가 있어요. I have a female sibling, sister. So Patrick got interested and he asked again, 사진 있어요? Do you have a photo? Is there a photo? Nancy says, 네, yes. 휴대폰에, in a cell phone, in my cell phone, 사진이 있어요. I have a photo. There is a photo. So in this conversation, Patrick asked Nancy if she has a brother or sister. And Nancy answered she has a sister in America. Then Patrick got interested and asked her if she has a photo of her. And then Nancy said she has a photo in her phone. Alright, next conversation. Listen carefully. Carrots.
크리스티나 씨, 패트릭 씨 여기 있어요?
아니요, 여기 없어요. 학교에 있어요.
오늘 수업이 있어요?
아니요, 없어요.
Pierre asked Christina. 크리스티나 씨, Miss Christina, 패트릭 씨 여기 있어요? Is Mr. Patrick here? Then Christina answers, 아니요, nope, 여기 없어요. He's not here. 학교에 있어요. He's in school. Then Pierre assumed he is in school because of the class. So he asked again, 오늘, today, 수업이 있어요? Is there a class? Then Christina answers, 아니요, nope, 없어요, there isn't. So in this conversation, Pierre asked Christina if Patrick is here or not. Then Christina answered he's not here, but he's in school. So Pierre assumed that Patrick is in school because he has a class today. So he asked Christina if there is a class today, and Christina said there's no class today. So why Patrick was in school? So was it fine for you to understand the conversation and catch all the sounds? If it is not, please repeat this part several times and also try to repeat after it to improve your pronunciation. Alright, if you're good, let's check culture and expansions part. Please open page 45. If you already read the articles that I wrote, you will now know that how important greeting is in Korea. So to the people who is around your age or younger people, you say what? Right. 안녕. 안녕. But when you meet someone new, total stranger, or older people, your boss, or in any kind of formal situation, you prefer to say what? 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Soldiers and politicians sometimes say 안녕하십니까. 안녕하십니까 for extremely formal situation. But in daily life, just 안녕 and 안녕하세요 will be enough. When we say 안녕, we usually slightly shake our hands or just show it. Now when we say 안녕하세요, we usually slightly nod 안녕하세요, or sometimes you bow to show your respect to older people or people in higher position. Just as in every country, greeting properly is really important for your social life. And you better not hug or kiss for greeting in Korea. Also, don't do this kind of Thai style greeting. We don't do it in Korea. Don't get confused. Please also check level of politeness chart here at page 45. I will mention from less polite ones to more polite ones. Hello? 안녕? 안녕하세요? 안녕하십니까? Thank you. 고마워? 고마워요. 감사해요. 고맙습니다. 감사합니다. Sorry. 미안해. 미안해요. 죄송해요. 미안합니다. 죄송합니다. Nice to meet you. 만나서 반가워. 만나서 반가워요. 만나서 반갑습니다. Good night. 잘 자. 잘 자요. 안녕히 주무세요. Now we'll learn the words related to family. Open page 46 here. 가족, 가족, family. 엄마, 엄마, mom. 아빠, 아빠, dad. 언니, 언니. 누나, 누나. Older sister. You know, when you're a girl, you say 언니. When you're a guy, you say 누나. 오빠, 오빠. 형, 형. Older brother. So it's also the same. If you are a girl, you call 오빠. But if you are a guy, you call your older brother 형. Okay? 여동생, 여동생. Younger sister. 남동생, 남동생. Younger brother. 할머니, 할머니. Grandmother. 할아버지, 할아버지. Grandfather. 이모, 이모. Aunt. 삼촌, 삼촌. Uncle. 사촌, 사촌. Cousin. And now we'll learn some places in Korean. 집, 집. Home. 공원, 공원. Park. 사무실, 사무실. Office. 회사, 회사. Company. 학교, 학교. School. 교실, 교실. Classroom. 은행, 은행. Bank. 박물관, 박물관. Museum. 병원, 병원. Hospital. 식당, 식당. Restaurant. 카페, 카페. cafe, 교회, church. So, how was today's class? I hope you learned many things today. Homework is, first, repeat after the dialogue 5 times for each. Second, please write down the words and expressions from page 45 to 47, also 5 times for each. 3. Write a short essay about your family using the expression 있어요, 없어요, that we learned today and last time. Alright, that's it. Never forget to click like and subscription button and also check sooandcarrots.com to get this book. Bye guys, stay tuned.